Thank you for listening to one of Analytics for Living's advanced Python sessions. Analytics for Living offers Python training and one-on-one coaching, use case development, and solutions to your analytics using Python. Please visit analyticsforliving.org to enroll in a course and enroll in one-on-one use case support. In this session, we'll be using Python arange to generate a range of values using Numpy. Also recommend you review, either enroll in a course or review some of our early sessions where we walk through Python basics, including data types, variables, assignment, calculating frequencies as conditional statements, loops, functions, and a variety of Numpy functions. We've already went through there some other sessions on Numpy array, array of zeros, array of ones, and uninitialized array. In this example, we'll be working through Numpy arange, where we're generating a range of values. Numpy.range generates a range of values. The real-life example would be where you may need to generate a time series for financial analysis. The first step is to import Numpy as NP. The time series, we want Numpy arange. We would want to arrange a range of numbers from 0 to 10. Of course, you can put in any of the numbers 0 to 100. And we want that evenly spaced of 0.5. The output would provide 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2, 2.5, and so forth. So let's type this in. Import Numpy as NP, NP short for Numpy. Time series equals np.arange, range is the function, parentheses 0 for the start, 10 for how long you'd like the range, and 0.5. Again, Python starts at 0 and provides a number out to not including 10, but 0.5 in the time series. So once you type in the function, you click on the arrow or Control Enter, depending on your system, and run the function. Let's do this now. And there you go. The array is calculated 0.5, as you saw, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, and so forth. Please join some of our future sessions, and we welcome you to enroll in our advanced Python course. Thank you for joining.